careful for the bitterness, for no matter who or what, take a stab at that cold hand that comes creeping for your heart, creeping for your heart. So she was cold and a coward, she left you there for dead. Still treat her with love and respect, man, that'll drive her mad, that'll mess up her head. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Take that rage and sorrow, turn it clean around. Start living the good life, you'll bring them all down, you'll bring them all down. So irony is dead, child of your yuppie mouth. Like you deal with real people who know what life's about. Guess that means you're out. Yeah, yeah. Walking up them stairs, well, that took me back 30-something years ago when demons ruled his head. Time was wild way back then, now maybe even worse. I don't know, I let it pass. These days I just observe. Happiness is kindness, and kindness is happiness. When you got the gift to give, when you got a life to live, better get on with it before it's too late. Step out of the shades, step out of the shades. Maybe I've changed, didn't happen overnight. Maybe I'm getting soft, could well be that you're right. I don't know and I never will, you tell me what is true. Maybe it's fake news if I told you I love you. Happiness is kindness, and kindness is happiness. When you got the gift to give, well, you got a life to live, better get on with it before it's too late. And step out of the shades, and step out of the shades. Kindness is happiness. When you got the gift to give, when you got a life to live, happiness is kindness, and kindness is happiness. When you got the gift to give, well, you got a life to live, better get on with it before it's too late. And step out of the shades, and step out of the shades. For those who wait, the world comes too late. I'm not asking for forgiveness. I don't give explanations. You wouldn't understand how I spend my days. Maybe one day when the demon's gone, find myself with time on my hands, I'll come to you and we'll have that drink, or maybe two. It's what I promise you. This morning went down to the beach, kicked up my shoes, felt the sand on my feet, walked into the water and its spirit filled me. Hey, I'm happy, hope that you are too, really do. I even hope he's happy too.